Hey, what's up? This is Kevin from Peacock Inside Tech, and today we have another unboxing from Oppo. So thank you, Oppo, for sending over the review unit. Let's see what's in the box of the Oppo Find X3 Lite.